Yeah, I see that. Before you get started, can you get me a water?
I have studied the Bible and I have
Christ
taught
forgiveness.
you. Prophet Mohammed, peace be upon him, is also mentioned by name in the Old Testament. You will acknowledge him.
Huh? No, he isn't. And what's your name, bro, since you here again?
Oh, me? My name is Mohammed.
Of course!
Listen to me, brother. It says Mohammedim in the Bible. Song of Songs 5:16.
Yeah, no. The Hebrew is Mohammedim. Sounds close, but no shade, bruh. Mohammedim means altogether lovely or desirable things. So no, bro. Muhammad's name means the praised one. Those are two different words with two different definitions. Nice try, though. Trying to backdoor your way into the Bible. You know who's actually mentioned in the Bible by name?
Who, brother?
Look at Isaiah 49:6. He says, "It is not enough for you to be my servant, to raise up the tribes of Jacob, and to restore the protected ones of Israel. I will make you a light for the nations, to bring my Yeshua salvation to the ends of the earth." So the word here in the Hebrew is Yeshua for salvation, and that's Jesus's name in the Hebrew, Yeshua, saying that he will be all throughout the earth and the salvation reaching everyone in the earth. And we see that fulfillment of this prophecy around to this day.
Ya salam, brother. Ya salam, brother. I see. You're right, my friend. I will show you in due time that Islam is true.
Wait, the Quran says the Bible is corrupted, so why are you demanding that Muhammad is in the Bible? Isn't that...
I best be on my way, brother. I have pleasure.
But it's 6 o'clock!